Hello and welcome to the Black Dog Writes. This is the introduction to my channel. I'm making it to document the next year of my life as I write a book, and I invite you to follow along with me. During this whole process, I'm going to be talking a lot about how I complete long-term, multi-year projects despite my struggles with mental health. You're welcome to watch for any reason, but I extend a particularly warm invitation to those with mental health problems, with anxiety, with depression, who have something that they want to achieve. Now that might be a thesis or dissertation, a book project, fiction or non-fiction, an art project, or it might be a year of college or university, whether it's your first, your last, or somewhere in between. So I'm going to introduce myself, and then I'm going to introduce us to a couple of helpers along the road. I'm Kathryn, and in 2007 I was diagnosed with generalized anxiety disorder and major depressive disorder. Since then, I've written a dissertation that earned me a PhD in ancient history from the University of Pennsylvania. I spent a year as a postdoctoral associate in military history at Cornell University. I got a full-time teaching job at Wofford College in Spartanburg, South Carolina. I got tenure. I married and gave birth to 2 children. Now, depression and anxiety, of course, have been absolutely no help through any of this, but I like to think that I now know a thing or two about achieving some major life goals despite it. And I'd like to share some of what I've learned with you while I put it all into practice in the biggest project that I've ever attempted, writing a book. Now that it's under contract, it's time to finish it off. It's time to write the more than half of the book that I need to complete by the end of July 2022. Helping us along the way, we have Prissy-Mae, who is the spirit of initiative, and the white one, who is the spirit of perseverance.